Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to refinance your existing car loan with OpenRoad Lending. We will also put links in the description below for various loan options. To start, open the website openroadlending.com. Then click on Apply. Now enter all the required information. This includes info about your car loan, personal information, contact information, income and employment information, and your vehicle information. Make sure to fill out all the required fields. After entering all the required information, click on the tick boxes to confirm that you agree with TH terms, conditions, and disclosures. Then click on the button that says Click to complete and start survey. Now your application has been submitted and an email will be sent to you once the process is complete. Once you're approved, you'll receive an email that looks like this. And that's how you refinance your existing car loan with OpenRoad Lending. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.